This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Now that you understand how Audi systems silently adapt instead of warning you, it's time to identify the specific system that quietly determines how expensive your next repair may be. This is not a single fragile part or a hidden defect. It is the interaction between Audi's adaptive power management, throttle logic, and electrical load control working together as one learning system. Every modern Audi relies on centralized control modules that constantly balance engine response, transmission behavior, charging strategy, and electrical demand. These modules observe how the car is used day after day. Gentle acceleration, short trips, frequent idling, constant comfort system usage, and low-load driving all become part of the vehicle's learned profile. Audi's system is designed to interpret these patterns as intent. When low demand becomes consistent, the vehicle begins prioritizing smoothness and efficiency even more aggressively. Throttle response is softened further. Torque delivery is filtered earlier. Transmission logic favors upshifts sooner and holds lower engine load whenever possible. To the driver, the car feels calm, refined, and premium. Nothing feels wrong. At the same time, the electrical side of the vehicle is compensating continuously. Climate control, heated seats, steering assistance, infotainment, driver assistance systems, and battery management all draw power constantly, especially during short or stop-and-go trips. To maintain voltage stability, the system increases corrective behavior. The alternator works harder. Voltage regulation becomes more aggressive. Control modules cycle more frequently. This is where long-term wear accelerates. Components that were designed to operate intermittently begin operating constantly. Heat increases gradually, not enough to trigger warnings, but enough to reduce lifespan. Actuators adjust more often. Control units manage tighter tolerances. The system is still working, but it is no longer operating in its ideal efficiency window. Here is the critical mistake most Audi owners make. They assume that because the car feels smooth and quiet, it is under less stress. In reality, the opposite is often true. Refinement is achieved through compensation, and compensation always has a cost. When driving patterns suddenly change, such as harder acceleration, longer trips, or increased load, the system struggles to adapt quickly. It has already learned a different baseline. This mismatch forces even more correction. Over time, that correction compounds until one component reaches its limit. When that happens, the failure appears sudden, even though the process began long before. This is why Audi repairs often feel unfair. There was no warning, no noise, no obvious symptom, but the system had been working harder than it should for months or even years. In the next part, we'll break down the specific everyday habits that teach this system the wrong lessons, explain why Audi never alerts you while it's happening, and show the early signs most drivers miss completely. What if one Audi system you never think about is quietly increasing your repair costs every single day? What if nothing is broken yet, no warning lights are on, and the car feels perfectly fine? What if your Audi is already aging faster than it should because of how it is learning from you? And what if the bill does not arrive as a warning, but as a $1,000, $2,500, or even $4,200 repair you never saw coming? Most Audi owners believe expensive repairs start when a part fails. In reality, most costly Audi repairs start much earlier, when a system begins compensating silently. Modern Audi vehicles are not reactive machines. They are adaptive systems. They constantly analyze how the car is driven, how often it is stressed, and how the engine responds every single day. This video explains how modern Audi systems actually behave in real life, not how owners assume they behave. One of the most dangerous misconceptions Audi owners have is believing that no warning light means no problem. In truth, Audi engineering is designed to hide problems for as long as possible, because comfort, refinement, and emissions compliance are higher priorities than immediate transparency. When an Audi system detects irregular behavior, it does not alert you right away. It compensates. It smooths responses. It redistributes load. It protects components by forcing other systems to work harder. This is where the real cost begins. A system that compensates too often begins operating outside its ideal range. Electrical components cycle more frequently. Control modules remain active longer than designed. Mechanical parts experience subtle stress that never triggers a fault code. Over weeks and months, this silent adaptation accelerates wear. And because everything still works, the driver continues driving normally, unknowingly teaching the car that this stressed behavior is acceptable. By the time the first warning appears, the damage has already been done. That is why so many Audi owners are shocked by repair bills that seem to come out of nowhere. A battery control issue becomes a $1,200 electrical repair. A drivability adaptation becomes a $2,500 engine-related fix. A system malfunction escalates into a $4,200 workshop visit with no single part clearly at fault. Before we continue, this is exactly the moment most Audi owners skip ahead and later regret it. If you want to avoid expensive Audi repairs before warning lights appear, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. This series explains how Audi systems learn from daily driving and how to stop teaching them expensive habits. Because in the next part, you will see which everyday driving behaviors Audi systems interpret as long-term stress, and how one single habit can quietly push your vehicle toward a costly failure.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.